In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to copy text from one document and paste it in another while formatting the text at the same time. To begin, I want to highlight the text in the that I wish to copy. After the text is highlighted, I will right-click on it and select the option that says Copy. Going to the document I wish to paste it into, I will right-click again, which will bring up a series of paste options. The first one will allow me to keep the source formatting, which basically means that in addition to the text, I also keep the font size and the font used in the original document. However, if I wish to copy that paste using the format of the document I'm pasting it into, I can go back to my paste options, select Merge Formatting, and it will automatically format the text to meet the font and font size of the document I am pasting it into.